Today's lesson is about the counting principle and probability. Now, with probability, we include everything. We do factorial notation, we do the counting principle, we do probability, everything is incorporated in today's lesson. They say, question 1, 3 boys and 4 girls go to the cinema. Find the probability. So if you hear or read probability, it means that you have to find the P of something. Of girls that are seated together. Okay, we have 3 boys and 4 girls. Okay. Now we said that when they tell you that they are seated together or placed together on a shelf, you treat them as one unit. So how many units are there in total? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 faculty. And how many girls are in one group? 4. So this group, this unit, is also 4 faculty. So the total will be 4 faculty times 4 faculty, and that is 576. That is when the girls are seated together. Now from probability, we need a fraction. So the numerator is always the question that they ask. Girls sitting together. So we're going to use the 576 as the numerator. And the denominator is how many groupings can you do all together with everything? And how many is that? 4 times 3, or you can say 7 faculty. In total, there are 7 pupils, so it's 7 faculty. That is 576 over 5040, and let's, yeah, that's that. 0,114. So the probability of arranging all the pupils but grouping the girls together is 0,114. Who doesn't understand? Okay, number B. Now they ask, what is the probability of seating all the pupils girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy? We know that there are 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We must start with a girl, and then a boy, and a girl, and a boy, and a girl, and a boy, and a girl. How many girls are there in total? 4. So from how many girls can we choose to sit in the first chair? 4. And in the second girl chair? 3. And in the next girl chair? 2, and then 1. How many boys can we choose from in the beginning? 3. When one is seated, how many are left? 2 and 1. Now can you see that this is actually 4, 3, 2, 1. So that is 4 faculty. And the boys are 3, 2, 1. And that is 3 faculty. total we have 144 if they sit like this. So the probability will be what? What is the numerator? 144 over 5040. And that is 0,029. Are there any questions? Yes.
When you say four, how is it 4 and 3? We got this. What are you counting?
Okay, can you remember that faculty means it's 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so for the girls we have 4, 3, 2, 1. And for the boys we have 3, 2, 1. More questions? Now, question 2. The letters of this word screeners are arranged randomly to form new words. How many words can be made up? How many letters are there in total? 9. So in total, we have 9 letters, so it's 9 faculty. Are there any repeaters?
Yes.
Which ones?
E and R and S.
E, R, and S. How many E's are there? 3. R's, 2. S's, 2. So, what is the total number of arrangements? Yes. 9 faculty over 3 faculty times 2 faculty times 2 faculty. And that will be 15120. 15,120 possible arrangements. Now for number B. How many arrangements can you make if you start with an R and you end with an R? So we have 9 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If the 2 R's are at the beginning and the end, how many letters can we shuffle? 7. So we have 7 faculty. Do we have repeaters in this 7? Which ones? S and E. We have 2 S's and we have 3 E's. So the total will be 7 faculty over 2 faculty times 3 faculty, and that is 420 possible arrangements. Question 3, they ask, what is the probability, so I need a P, that the chosen word will start and end with R. So it's actually this one, we want the probability of this one. So we start with R and we end with R. What is the numerator? 420. And the denominator? 15120. And that gives us 0,028. If I don't ask you specifically to either write it as the simplest fraction or a percentage or round off to decimal places, then one of those will be correct. You can choose which one. But if they ask you a percentage and you end with this, you will lose a mark. And if they ask you the simplest form of a fraction and you do this, you lose a mark. Okay. So read fine. Make sure that you know what they ask. Okay. That's the end of today's lesson. Your homework is a lot. It's exercise 6 in the textbook, page 293, number 1 to 18. Okay, now 18 sounds a lot, but it's small sums like this. Yes. Now,
Number 1 to 18.
18, 118. Now I want you to turn back to where we must start marking the homework.